Hey, how you doing? Thanks for watching another episode of Projects with Chaz. How the freak am I going to do that? Today we're going to change the light bulb on my Alltrack. It's a little tricky, but not too difficult, and I'm sure my viewers can figure it out after a few beers. Pop the hood. We know it's this one. So right in here. Gotta get this cap off. Might need to get your anorexic friend in here. There we go. Pull this stupid cap off. And the light bulb, you gotta twist it. Barely get my hand in there. There. Just twisted it to the left. Tight fit. Ta-da! Whoa, there we go. All right, the bulb just pulls straight out. It just plugs in. So pull it straight out and then get the new bulb and plug her in. All right, pro tip. Next time you're at the doctor's office getting your kuyangas juggled for a physical or something and the doctor leaves the room, go ahead and help yourself to some gloves because they come in handy down the road for things like this. Because if you get little oily fingerprints on the bulb, it shortens the life of the headlamp. Okay, this is the new bulb, and you see there's a little lip there and a little groove. This side of the light bulb goes that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and push it in. It's in, boom. Now I'm gonna put this back in, and you should hear it click when it shuts or when it's in place. All right, I'm gonna shoot you the reality of putting this in. As I was trying to get my hand in there, I dropped the bulb into the abyss and it heard it clunk and it fell down. So the next step is to find it. I'm pretty sure it's down here somewhere. So these take a T25. I'm going to take a few of these off so I can pull this out and see if I can find the light bulb that just fell down there, which is a total pain in my ass pipe. All right, as I was taking these out, I noticed this little door in the wheel well. And I think it just pops out. Yeah. So I'm sure I can reach my headlight that fell down in here somewhere. And there it is. Got the headlight. Let's try it again. Maybe I can try it from this bottom side. I don't know. I'll let you know. All right, I don't know what I said in the beginning of the video, but once you get your fingers on that little, whatever the hell it is, the back side of the bulb, you click left and it loosens it up. So I've got it in place, and now I'm gonna click right. There, did you hear that? Here, I'll undo it. Clicking left. Now I'm going to click it right. It's in. That's it. Inside that slot for this particular bulb. Yeah, it's in there. All right, let's try it. All right, all bulbs are on. Boom. That's the one I just replaced. All right, kids, just remember that little handle for the bulb, it's almost up and down. It's not quite straight up and down. It's a little to the left, and then you need to turn it to the left, one click, pull it out. Put in the new bulb, put it in where it's turned slightly to the left, stick the bulb through the hole, and then click right. And that's it. So if this helped you out, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Like all good projects, I'm gonna crack a brouhaha and celebrate that I saved a boatload of money by not going to the scammer ship. All right, till next time. Thanks for watching.